Today I want to talk about a very important issue. Sorry I haven't posted any videos in a while, but this is of particular import to associations, CAMs, and your lawyers. And that is the necessity in Florida of keeping accounts on units going back 7 years. Recently we've had several instances where a client has had a delinquent owner and the management company has forwarded us a ledger that includes a lump sum at the beginning or whenever they took over management, and it just says balance forward. The unfortunate part about that is that we don't know, and the management doesn't know, what that amount consists of. And so it's not reliable, and in my opinion, we will not collect it because we can't prove what it consists of. The law is very clear. It says that associations must keep records for 7 years. That's if you're governed by 718 or 720. And if you don't, you cannot prove what an owner owes and how to break that amount down. And there are, unfortunately, a lot of communities who change managers or go from self-managed to a company, back to an accountant, back to a CPA, and so on and so forth. And at the transfer of the records, nobody is looking at the financials saying, hey, wait a minute, where is the ledger that goes back 7 years? Because that is a licensure issue. And in a worst case scenario, someone who's licensed as a CAM to have those records, if an owner comes in and wants to see the records, or even opposing counsel, if we get into a foreclosure or collection situation and we can't produce them, that's not only a violation of the law, but it's probably also a licensure issue. So my strong advice to all associations and all CAMs is that if you take over operation of a property, one of the first things you need to do is check and see if the records go back 7 years and meet the requirements of either 720 or 718. And if they don't, insist that they produce it. And if not, you should be very wary and careful about moving forward with that association, because if we can't prove by producing the statutorily required document showing where every assessment was due, whether it's yearly, quarterly, monthly, or whatever, then we are going to have a problem in collecting that, and you guys face potential sanctions not only at the management level but at the association level. So watch those records, and there's more to follow. Thanks.